What's up, Spyder Riders? Today we're checking out a premium touring upgrade for your Can-Am Spyder RT, the EvolutionR Removable Saddlebag Liners. If you've ever packed for a weekend ride, you know how much of a pain it is to load and unload your saddlebags one item at a time. These liners fix that completely. Each bag is wrapped in heavy-duty, water-resistant 900D Oxford fabric for serious durability, while the interior features a plush, soft inner lining to keep your belongings from rattling around or getting scratched while you ride. The front and rear panels are semi-rigid, so the bags maintain their shape even when empty. Up front, you'll find full padding with geometric stitchwork for a refined, upscale look. They're sold as a pair and designed to perfectly contour the shape of your factory saddlebags for a precise drop-in fit. They fit so well, in fact, that each one includes a pull tab at the bottom for quick and easy removal. Each bag also includes a removable shoulder strap with spiderweb stitching, along with a padded grab handle for comfortable carrying. Whether it's a weekend escape or your everyday essentials, these liners let you pack up and go in seconds. If you're looking to make your touring setup cleaner, faster, and more convenient, these EvolutionR Premium Saddlebag Liners are a must-have. You can grab yours using the link below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged in to everything on three wheels. We'll see you out on the road. Thanks for watching.